Hi guys, I'm Oni and today I'll be recreating this lovely Tanavoho-inspired African hairstyle on myself after two attempts and I absolutely love the result. I'll be using Brazilian wool, darling kinky hair, shine and jam, elastic bands, combs and a crochet pin. So parting my hair was absolute chaos. I had to do it off camera and finally I achieved 9 sections of seashell parts which I will show later. So I prepped the wool and cut it to 2 arms length because I wanted the length to be quite long. I moisturized my hair lightly so that it won't revert back. I detangled the hair properly and added shine and jam to the base of the hair to slick it a bit. I followed up with the elastic band, ensuring it wasn't tight to my scalp so that I can easily install the extension. As you can see, there's still a lot of room for the extension and also wrapping. Now, depending on the thickness you want, Brazilian wool is very easy to divide and maintain consistency. I'll advise you, however, to insert the hair in portions. This will enable you mask your own hair properly and will also give it a natural, knotless appearance. At this point, I gently pull the hair apart to tighten the base, not too much though, and I begin to braid carefully, making sure I use the wool to cover my hair as much as possible. When I got to the length I wanted the puff to be, I tied a knot. I purposely made the length of the wool very long so that I can use the excess to form the foundation of the puff. Taking another chunk of wool, approximately 10 strands, I began to carefully wrap the braids from the base. I didn't hold the wrapping hair too tight so that it bunches up. I tried to flatten it so that it can cover a wider area. It might have been better if I had used more hair. This was quite the arm workout for 9 braids. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. More recreations and tutorials are coming, so be sure to click the bell icon so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you. So I did one puff off camera so I could get a hang of it. I formed the foundation by twisting the excess length of extension into a bantu knot form. Now I wasn't trying to be precise or too firm, but I didn't want it to easily lose shape also. So I just used my hand to shape it, and then I took the kinky hair and wrapped it roughly but firmly around the knot I created. So basically cover the knot as much as you can and secure it very well. I didn't have to use any elastic band to secure mine, but I also had to constantly reshape and manipulate it. So this is the final result of my first attempt. I accessorized with gold threads, and the back actually looks better than I expected considering what I had to go through. To sleep with this style, I tied an elastic band around my edges to secure it. I used a silk scarf and I also used a bonnet I didn't show here. Sleeping with this hairstyle was not funny. I won't recommend for long periods. It was very uncomfortable. So after rocking this style for several days, I decided to reduce the length and make the locks thicker. So I took out the puff, I wrapped more extensions over the lock, and without cutting off anything, I used the extra length to create the bantu knot and wrapped the kinky hair over it. I think the shorter length fits better. So rate my recreation in the comments below and let me know if you'll be trying this out. Thank you for watching. Bye.